Okay, y'all, so we're gonna start making some crab butter. If you remember, I did a video with A2 Fit. We did it with some crawfish. Today we're gonna do it with crab. Same premise, you can do this with any shellfish of your liking. So we're gonna start off with 1.5 to 2 pounds of crab shells, legs included. And we're gonna add to that 2 pounds of unsalted butter. All right, so we're gonna let this go for about a good 5 minutes. Don't forget to stop and scrape everything down. One more again. You can see the butter changing colors, getting really infused with the crab. Okay, now after 5 minutes of whipping the crab shells in the butter, we're going to transfer into a pot. Make sure you get all of that goodness. We're going to turn it on low to medium low and just let it go. Okay, now that the butter's fully melted, we're going to turn it down to low. We're just going to let it do its thing for about 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, let's wrap up this shellfish butter. We're going to double strain this. I'm going to pass it once through what we call a china cap. I'm going to pass through a fine mesh strainer with a coffee filter to really get all the fine small bits. Okay, after some time, after it finally drains through, you're left with this beautiful butter that's infused with your shellfish. Hope you use it, enjoy it. Simple, good food.